Meaning of egoism.
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 Egoism. Egoism is a philosophical concept that emphasizes the individual self as the primary source of motivation and decision-making. It promotes self-interest and personal satisfaction above all else, often at the expense of others. The result of egoism can be both positive and negative. On one hand, it can encourage individuals to strive for success and personal growth. On the other hand, it can lead to selfish behavior and a lack of concern for others, potentially causing harm and negative consequences in personal relationships and society as a whole.